Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to look at this question, which is under blending of lines and curves. So the question says, the figure below shows a template to be used in the manufacture of an engineering component. Draw the figure full size showing clearly all your constructions of obtaining centers of arcs and other constructions. Okay, so for this one, we start with the centers that we are able to we can identify and we are able to draw. So for example, this center and this center, we know that we have a center line there and we have a center and another center which is 100 millimeters away from the first center there. So we can start with two center lines. We start with a horizontal and then this and this one, which are 100 millimeters apart. And then we see how we can proceed from there. So for the first center line, we don't even need to measure anything, just draw. Okay, so here we draw a vertical line, and then from this vertical line we can measure 100 millimeters, so 100, so that we have a point for another center. Okay, so 100. Okay, 100 millimeters. Okay, so now we can draw circles. We have these two circles from this center, which are, one has got a radius of 20, diameter 40 there, meaning radius 20, and the other one diameter 75, meaning radius 35. So we can start with the one for 20 from this center. Okay, and another one radius 35. Radius 35. Okay, then we come here. Okay, we come to this other one. We have an arc of radius 35. So this one will be a fence line, and another one which is inside, which is radius 22. So we measure 22, so the inside one. Okay, so we have this line which is a tangent to this circle and this circle. So since these circles are equal, we just draw a line connecting them. So we'll just draw this line. We can use Okay, so that one, and then we have another line, which is this one that is coming from this circle, so it can just go there. We will use it in the next stage. So we'll draw, this one will just be a faint line. Okay, so here we want to draw this arc that is blending with this circle and this other arc here. So this circle has got a diameter 70, meaning radius 35, and this arc has got a radius 35. So for us to draw this arc, we need to find the center, and the center will be found by subtracting the smaller radius. For example, when we stand at this center, we need to strike an arc this side, which will be this radius of the arc that we want to draw minus the radius of the circle that it's blending with. So in this case, it will be 110 minus 35. So 110 minus 35 will give us 75. Even here, it will be from this center, 110 minus 35, so 75. So just open your compass to 75. Open your compass to 75. Okay, so 75. You stand here, you strike an arc. Okay, even here it's the same, 75, strike an arc, and then you get the radius now, the actual radius, which is 110. So 110 should be at 11 there. So 110, from this center, it should be able to draw an arc that will touch, just should be able to draw an arc that will touch. How are we getting this? Yeah, be able to draw an arc that will touch this circle and that arc there. So this arc should touch like this. Okay, and again, maybe let us outline this part. Okay, then we have this arc here, which is blending with this bigger circle there, and with this line that is coming from there. So for this one again, we have to use this center first of all to find the center. So this one has got a radius of 16, and then so it will be 35 plus 16. 35 plus 16 will give us 51. So you stand there, you open to 51. So 51 from this center, 51, and then we draw a line that will be parallel to this one at 16, which is the radius of the arc. So you can get your divider, just measure 16, and then from here make a point, and then you draw a line from this point that will meet with this arc. Okay, then you get your compass, you open to the given radius, which is 16, If accurately done, it should be able to blend just off a bit. Okay, so something like that. Okay, and then we have this line that is 20 from this, so we measure 20 millimeters from the center. 20, draw that line. Okay, and then again this arc of radius 16 is blending with this arc, with this circle of radius 35. So again, we open to 51. We get our compass, we open to 51. From the center, we strike an arc along this line that we just drew, and then we open to 16. It should be able to blend and then we have this arc that is blending with this smaller circle and this circle here with this circle of radius, with the arc of radius 16 and this arc of radius 22. So this arc is 95. So again, we subtract the radii from the two radii from 95. So 95 minus 16 will give us 79. So we open to 79. Okay, 79. From this center, strike an arc. Again, from this center, we open to 95 minus 22 will give us 73. So again, 73. Just that one there. Then you open your compass to 95, which is the radius. So if properly done from this center, it should be able to touch this part. Let's see. Okay. Oh, we missed the point by a millimeter or so, but it's blending there. Okay, so we have that. and then we outline this part here. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like or a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already.